iQOO is all set to launch its next generation of iQOO Z9s series smartphones on August 21st in India. The lineup has two models, the iQOO Z9s and the iQOO Z9s Pro. The device will be available in two colors, such as Luxe Marble and Flamboyant Orange. iQOO Z9s Pro will feature a 6.78-inch 120Hz 3D curved AMOLED panel and feature a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. The iQOO Z9s Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor. iQOO Z9s Pro will come with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS, 4K recording, and Super Night mode, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. iQOO has also confirmed some software features like AI Photo Enhance and AI Erase. The phones are sleek with 7.49mm thickness despite featuring a big 5,500 mAh battery, with 80W fast charging support, and phones will be priced under 25,000 Indian rupees $300/Euro 275 in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.